Can Shibadoge hit 1,000,000% increase in price before 2025? We are talking about Shibadoge deleting between 4 zeros or 5 zeros. So many people, so many crypto experts, crypto predictors have actually predicted Shibadoge is the next Shiba Inu. Shibadoge is going to hit 1 million, 10 million, 100,000% increase in price. Yes, we all know, but right now, can 2.5 years, Shibadoge hitting 1,000,000%, deleting 4 zeros. Remember, the only thing that can help Shibadoge hit that high level, there are 3 things. Okay, right now, Shibadoge, one is going to be difficult. I'm talking about the circulating supply of Shibadoge. Shibadoge, more than quadrillions coins out there in circulation, so it's not going to be easy burning off Shibadoge circulating supply, which is the major thing that is holding Shibadoge from hitting a high level increase in price. Okay, well, Shiba Inu, since Shiba Inu started, Shiba Inu have burned about 410 trillion coins. Over 410 trillion coins. Shiba Inu still have 549 trillion coins in circulation. When you bring this together, that is to say Shiba Inu started with almost 950 trillion coins, which is a lot, but they actually burned almost half of this. But today, Shiba Inu have actually hit more than 10,000,000% increase in price. I think yes, from the beginning, Shiba Inu have deleted about almost 5 zeros or 6 zeros. That's all. So with Shibadoge, with trading with about 16 zeros, can Shibadoge do the same? Can Shibadoge delete such number of zeros? The truth still remains, the circulating supply is going to draw Shibadoge down. But I'm very certain Shibadoge can delete between 1, 2, 3 zeros, but hitting the level of Shiba Inu is not going to be easy. The only thing that can help Shibadoge delete or hit 1,000,000% is if Shibadoge get lucky and start getting massive crypto exchanges listing Shibadoge. And I'm not talking about baby exchanges. I'm talking about top crypto exchanges. Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Kucoin, Gate.io, a lot of them. For so many top exchanges. That is when Shibadoge can now have that opportunity to really increase in price or deleting some zeros. But normally, Shibadoge still need to burn. But one can say, is it easy? Can Shibadoge really burn off this number of circulating supply they have? According to CoinMarketCap, they have more than quadrillion coins. More than quadrillion coins. Over 5 is much. I think yes. It all depends on the developers. The developers actually need to slash mass destruction. They need to burn Shibadoge, at least destroying 90% of this coin. Okay, with that, if they can start with that, I mean selling all this coin to a dead wallet, this is going to help Shibadoge greatly. If the top holders can really do this, I believe Shibadoge definitely will hit even more than 1,000,000% because Shibadoge is a very good coin. So many people believe that they don't want to miss Shibadoge because the way they miss Shiba Inu. That is why I see people rushing Shibadoge. I have Shibadoge coin. So right now we are talking about Shibadoge hitting 1,000,000% in 2025. It is possible, but hitting 10 million, that is deleting zeros like up to 5, 6 zeros. Is it going to be possible for Shibadoge token? And I hope to see Shibadoge keep increasing price because right now Shibadoge have gotten some exchanges listing Shibadoge, but 1,000,000% in 2025 for me is possible, but 10,000,000% I am not that sure. Yes, Shibadoge can manage to delete between 3 to 4 zeros, but deleting 5, 6 zeros is not going to be easy for a coin with such number of circulating supply. And let's hope that the developer will actually do something concerning the circulating supply of Shibadoge by slashing, destroying at least 90 to 95% of the circulating supply. That alone is going to help Shibadoge positively. That alone is going to help Shibadoge to really increase in price. And then we still need more crypto exchanges to list this coin. We need more holders to come in and support Shibadoge by also engaging in the burning of Shibadoge token. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your